Today we're going to check out this Craftsman LED work light with tripod. Nathan Cox here. Thanks so much for joining us on Around the Home. Please take a moment and click on the little ninja on the bottom right of your screen. Subscribe to the channel, or just click on the subscribe button. Top right of your screen will be a link for our website, which has hundreds of more videos organized really well. Plus, there's additional ways to help support us so we keep bringing you all this great content. Well, let's do the unboxing for this. I got this at Lowe's today. I'm not sure if it's available on Amazon as well, but picked it up. It normally runs about 130 bucks. But got the Black Friday week, so got it for $80. Yeah, so that's like really good savings there. So we're gonna check it out because I've been needing some better lights when I'm, doing projects or doing videos or anything else. Okay, looks like we got a few pieces here. Little bag of little screws. Okay, so we got the tripod there coming out there. Looks like a holder for the lights. There we got a handle. Instruction booklet. Okay, that's empty now. So our two LED lights have got to be in here. Okay, I guess they're connected together here. Okay, let's just move straight into the assembly here. Okay, I'm going to set these to the side. The tripod. Okay. Alright, so we've got a clamp right here. There we go. Set it about like so. Or maybe a little bit. Okay, maybe that's better. Okay, and this here looks to be pretty simple. We just have little quick release clamps. Open it up, slide out a pole. So we can stop there. This one here just, just depends on how tall you need it. Okay, that's going to lock in something here. Let's put the base and our handle. Okay. Probably has a screw in there somewhere. Alright, and then we're going to have a couple of screws. That's going to set that together. This part here would obviously be easier with another person. You can set one of the lights on a table. You got two positions you can screw this into. I'm going to just pick the inside one for right now. And then the little Y here that connects the two lights together. It's got a screw to help hold that together. Just going to put that into the handle here. Okay, so we got it assembled here. Let's give it a test. Now we did screw the handle here. It screws into these base plates, so you can still take it off the tripod. You'll squeeze that together and it will unlock from there. And you can put this on the ground if you want. You don't have to take it in the tripod. There we go. Now it looks like it just has on-off switches. So obviously you can just put one light on or both lights, but I kind of wish it doesn't look like they have a high or low. Let's just take a look at how bright these guys are. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off the downstairs lights and then let's try kicking these on. Okay, let's see what one does. Oh wow, that really does put out the light. And then now for the second one. Whew. I mean, that lit up the whole downstairs. Okay, there we go. So did the unboxing and the assembly and first test of the Craftsman, tripod LED work lights. Like I said, these put out up to 9,000 lumens together. And I wasn't sure, because I have a smaller LED light, which obviously is not nearly as powerful as these. And it's just, it's kind of small. And I was thinking, I don't know. But I do like these so much better than the halogens, because the halogens are so hot that if they're on for just like 30 seconds, you're just going to burn your finger right off by touching them. And these being LED, they're going to use so much less power. And they're going to be so much cooler. So they're really great addition, whether you're doing a remodel project, you're just doing painting, or you're doing video work. I mean, lighting is lighting, and people need good light. So anyways, thanks again so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you guys out. Maybe I'll see if I can try to find some kind of link, whether it's just Lowe's or something like that. Put it down there below so you guys can find this unit. Please take a moment. I'll put it over here. Subscribe to my channel. If you didn't do it before, please check out my website. And I got some more additional videos on the other side of me. Thanks again.